Now let's look at how to use the prepositions above and on. Now we use both above and on to show a person or thing is in a higher position than something or someone else. Okay, just direct contrast to what we learned in rule 2. Below and under used to show things in lower position, but here above and on are used to show things in higher position. So the first thing to remember, but there's a difference between the both of them. Let's see. Above is used to show something higher than and not touching the surface of the thing below. Okay, let's see. It says she placed the clock above the piano. Now this is the piano. In this illustration here, this is the piano. This is the clock. Now we know that this clock, I told you the first thing to remember in these prepositions is that both are used to refer to things in higher position. So the first thing here is this clock is in a higher position when compared to the location or position of this piano. Okay, sorry, position, not location here. So this clock is placed in a higher position when compared to where this piano is positioned. Another thing to know is that it is not touching the surface of this piano. Hence, we use above, or hence the use of above. So, this clock is above the piano because it is in a higher position and not touching the surface of the piano. Now, let's see on, which is the opposite of this one. On is also used to show something in a higher position but touching the surface. So here it says not touching, above not touching the surface, but on is touching the surface. Now let's see the same illustration. What you see now, the clock is touching the surface of the piano right here. So we use on. She plays the clock on the piano because the clock is in a higher position and touching the surface of the piano.